ora te whenua, ka ora te tangata. Look after the land and the land will look after you. I have feelings of remorse when I think of how the maunga would have been. Though time heals all, and this is now our challenge.
With your support, we can continue the work that we started. We're really excited about our very first Givealittle campaign because fundraising has got really tough since COVID, and so we need your help. A forest alive with bird songs and our kids enjoying the rewards of decades of hard work, seeing the mountain to sea landscape restored. Time and time again, people have told us what a massive difference a decade of predator control has made to birdsong and wildlife in our community. We want to do everything we can to keep restoring our beautiful little corner of this world.
I'm supporting the project because I want to support local and support biodiversity on the mountain. So come on guys, give a little. Kia ora whānau.
Give a little.
Give a little.
Give a little. Give a little. Give a little.
Give a little.
Give a little.
Give a little.
Give a little.
We would be hugely grateful if you could support our campaign by donating today.
Give